The Aegean Sea, nestled between Greece and Turkey, has been a cradle of human civilization for thousands of years. From the time of the Minoans and Mycenaeans, these waters were a hub for maritime trade, connecting distant cities and islands with networks of commerce and culture. Merchants sailed across these waters carrying olive oil, wine, pottery, and precious metals, linking civilizations that shaped the course of history. But beneath the sparkling surface of the Aegean Sea, scientists have begun uncovering secrets long hidden by the tides. During recent underwater expeditions, marine archaeologists detected unusual formations on the sea floor, using advanced sonar technology and remotely operated vehicles. At first, these formations seemed like ordinary rock structures shaped by the currents and centuries of sediment accumulation. However, as scans grew more detailed, a pattern began to emerge. The stones were arranged with precision, straight lines, right angles, and geometric layouts that suggested human engineering rather than natural formation. Underwater cameras capture massive stone blocks partially buried in sand, fragments of walls, and what appear to be the foundations of buildings. These discoveries pointed toward a sunken port settlement, once bustling with trade and activity. Historians believe that rising sea levels after the last ice age may have gradually submerged the coastal settlements of the Aegean, hiding entire ports beneath the waves. Tectonic activity in the region, including earthquakes and land subsidence, could have accelerated the flooding, turning a thriving harbor into a mysterious underwater site. Artifacts and structures suggest that this port may have been an important hub for merchants traveling between the Greek mainland, the islands, and Anatolia. If fully explored, the sunken trading port could reveal invaluable insights into the economic and cultural exchanges of ancient Aegean civilizations. For now, only fragments remain visible beneath the sea, whispering stories of commerce, human ingenuity, and civilization's lost time. With each new expedition, scientists uncover more clues, bringing us closer to understanding the hidden history beneath the waves of the Aegean Sea. The discovery of the sunken trading port is a reminder that even in well-studied regions of the world, the ocean still holds secrets waiting to be revealed.